Millions of banana stems are wasted every year until machines like these turn them into something valuable. From waste to fiber to global products, this is how one factory changes everything. And this is only one factory. Every year, millions of banana stems are discarded as waste. But inside this factory, they're transformed into something extraordinary.
This is one of the largest high-tech banana stem processing plants, and you've probably never seen before.
It all starts here in banana farms, where the stem is usually left behind after harvest.
These stems may look useless, but they're packed with powerful natural fibers. At this facility, waste becomes raw material for an advanced manufacturing process.
Every step inside this plant is carefully designed for efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Hidden inside each stem are fibers strong enough to replace synthetic materials.
This factory combines traditional agriculture with modern automation.
Skilled workers and smart machines work together at every stage.
Now, let's follow the journey from raw banana stem to refined natural fiber. Every day, tons of banana stems arrive here directly from nearby farms.
Timing is critical. Fresh stems produce stronger, cleaner fibers. Efficient logistics keep the entire operation running smoothly. Machines align each stem with millimeter-level precision. Machines align each stem with millimeter-level precision. Advanced sensors analyze size, moisture, and structure in real time. Nothing goes to waste. Rejected material is redirected for recycling.
Clean input ensures smoother downstream processing.
This pre-cleaning stage protects sensitive cutting machines.
With sorting complete, the process accelerates.
Strict safety checks keep both workers and machines protected.
Next, the real transformation begins. The cutting stage.
Once inside, the banana stem enters a machine that decides everything. Most people have never seen this machine in action.
This single cut reveals the hidden fibers inside the stem. This is where the transformation begins.
Precision matters here. One wrong cut can ruin the fiber. Watch how perfectly aligned this is.
Machines are tuned in real time. This adjustment changes everything.
Fresh cuts release heat and moisture instantly. Look closely.
Next comes the most brutal part of the process. This is where stems get crushed. Robots prepare each stem for extraction. Humans can't do this fast. Everything unnecessary is removed. Nothing is wasted here. Now the fiber extraction begins. This machine is unstoppable.
Dozens of stems are cut every minute. The scale is insane.
These machines apply enormous pressure. You can feel the power.
This is what we came for, pure natural fiber. Pause and look at this texture.
This is controlled chaos. Every second matters here.
These machines apply enormous pressure. You can feel the power.
The fibers now move to purification. They're still far from finished. Washing removes every trace of pulp. This step decides quality. Gentle rotation keeps fibers intact. Too fast, part counts broken fibers.
Clean water means stronger fiber. Notice the clarity.
Impurities fall away naturally. This is real purification.
Water is recycled again and again. Zero waste system. Clean fibers move to drying. But drying is tricky.
Even water chemistry is monitored. One small change ruins fiber.
This line never stops. Moisture is still inside. Watch what happens next.
Now, heat does the work. This is where mistakes happen. Drying must be perfect. Too much heat destroys fiber.
Air, not fire, removes moisture. This is precision drying.
Temperature is controlled to the degree. Technology you don't see.
This stage takes the longest. Patience is key.
Humidity decides fiber strength. One number matters most.
Fibers are softened and aligned. This makes them usable.
Human touch still matters. Machines don't feel texture.
Now it's light, clean, and strong. Final preparation before packing.
Almost done.
Each bag must be exact. No guesswork here.
Sealed for transport. One seal equals quality. Every batch is traceable. This code tells a story. Only perfect fiber leaves. Many are rejected. Ready for the world. But where does it go?
Robots handle heavy work, faster than humans. Logistics never stop, even at night. Robots handle heavy work, faster than humans.
This fiber goes global. You might use it.
Now it leaves the factory. Final journey begins.
This factory runs on clean energy, not what you expected.
Water is reused again and again.
Even leftovers have value. Nothing is trash.
The cycle continues.
This factory supports hundreds of families.
Global standards approved. Hard to earn these.
Waste becomes resource. Huge difference.
This is where it ends up. You've seen this before.
Industry and nature can coexist. This proves it.
From waste to wonder. One factory changed everything.
If you enjoyed seeing how waste becomes value, subscribe for more factory stories. This is the final form of something once thrown away. Hard to believe this was waste.
Hundreds of steps, one continuous process. You've just seen the whole journey.
Every strand tells a story. Zoom in, Patsy. This is insane detail.
Strong, flexible, and completely natural. Stronger than plastic in some uses.
This fiber becomes everyday products. You probably use one of these.
This is where waste becomes value. One factory, massive impact.
The work never really stops. Even at night, it runs. The journey continues beyond these walls. Where will it go next?
Another batch, ready for the world. That sound means money.
Industry and nature can work together. This is the future.
One simple idea changed everything. And it's just the beginning.
If you loved this process, the next one is even crazier. Subscribe to see inside factories you have never seen before. Don't miss the next one.
More insane processes are waiting. Click one now.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next factory.